Now we're ready to prepare the mixture. Grinding the chickpeas can be done in two ways. Either in a meat grinder, you take the chickpeas, the parsley and the garlic, you grind them and then you add all the ingredients. Or you can put all the ingredients together in the food processor, and that's an easier way, for my opinion. I use a colander to drain the chickpeas. I'm going to put the chickpeas in the food processor. We're going to put the egg in, the salt, the turmeric, the cumin, 2 garlic cloves, a little bunch of parsley, 3/4 of pepper, black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of tahina, and 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. We add the breadcrumbs later to make the mixture stiff enough to form balls. So we're going to mix everything together without the breadcrumb. We ground it for about 1 minute, until the mixture is nice and, I shouldn't say smooth because there are little pieces, but it's not, you don't have big pieces inside. Now we're going to take it out, put it in a bowl and mix it with the breadcrumbs. I'm adding the breadcrumb now to make the mixture thicker so we can form balls later on. I'm going to mix it up and we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour. It needs to be chilled for 1 hour to get thicker and easier to form balls. Here's the mixture, as you can see. It's nice.